You click on the ebook, and sometimes, and there's the book link right here, sometimes you may need to put in your XYZ email and password. And once you've put that in, you can click here on the table of contents to find the section that you need. So let's say that you are learning 4.1 and you're feeling a little stuck in there. You can come in here and read your book, and then there are examples here. They have practice examples, and they have a video player examples, and so you can click on that, and there will be practice, and then you can check your answer. I'm just going to pick one. I didn't do it, so I don't know. Oh, and look, I didn't get it correct, but it will tell you, and then you can try another one. And so that's how you can do practice. And then there's an example video right
In this
here.
example, we're going to determine if the point.
And in your videos, you can choose, they have Spanish as well.
En este ejemplo vamos a determinar si el punto.
And so those are some ways to do this. They have extra practice problems there on the side. You can read through all of this. And then there's also Math TV over here where they have examples and lots of different people that you can choose from to show you how to solve the problems. And so that's where you can check out your table of contents right there. And that will help you with those problems and learning the material.